All right, so here I just wanted to show you an example of what this looks like in case you guys were a little bit confused. So here I have my target line. So my goal is to draw this same length of line. Or if you're giving this to someone else, you're going to tell them, hey, your goal is to draw this a line that's this same length. And so what you're going to do, you're going to show it to them. Then you're going to cover it up. You're going to say, draw that line. They're going to draw the line. You're going to cover that up. You're going to wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and have them draw it again. Cover it up. Wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have them draw it again. Cover it up, and you'll do that 8 times. Then after you finish it for 8 times, you'll wait 1 minute. You'll give them the next page, and you'll repeat the process again. When you finish that, you'll wait 1 minute, and then repeat the process a 3rd time, and then again the 4th time. Once you have the lines, you measure the lines. You measure our goal. Our goal was 11.5 centimeters. So our goal line was 11.5 centimeters. Now I measure all 8 of my lines and record that right here under length. To get the CE, I take my lengths minus my targets to get the CE. So like my first line was 9 centimeters. The target was 11.5, so my constant error was minus 2.5 centimeters. All right. Once I get all of my CEs, I take the average CE. And then what I do here is I take my CE here minus the average. So here I took my CE of 2.5, negative 2.5, subtracted -1, which actually adds 1. So my CE minus the average here was negative 1.5. I do that all the way down for all of those. Then what I do is I take these numbers and I square them. Squaring them gives me all these numbers, and then I get the sum of all those numbers. This is going to be important because we're going to be using this number to figure out our VE. So when we get this number, we take this number, we divide it by 8, and then take the square root of that number, and that is our VE, which goes right here. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.